you doing? What are you doing? Hi, how are you? What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Hi. Oh, you guys. You're black. Come here, one of you black ones. Hello. 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 You're so cute. Where did that come from? Oh, you're falling. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. How are you? You're so teeny tiny. Don't laugh at me, I'm tiny. Don't laugh at me. So cute. So cute, yes. What are you doing? I can't help but look up at everything I see. What is your problem? Let go. Let's go. What are you doing? Here's a sandbox. Want to play in it? Litter box? Sandbox thing? Maybe? Yes? No? Are you the circle of life? And what are they doing? They're fighting. Why? 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 The black ones are fighting. Ow! You got claws. Oh, I feel so bad for every one of you. You got big heads and you can't walk straight. I especially feel bad for you. You look up at everything. You can't walk straight. You think you're just weird. You can't walk. These black ones are just black. What are you doing? I don't think you have a sense of direction. You walk fast. You guys are fighting. I renamed the black one. Which is the one I'm going to keep Tokyo. And the other one might be Crow, but I think I'd just keep an old name and keep the black one I keep will be Tokyo Crow. You can call them Tokyo or Crow. What are they doing? Are they fighting? Nope, they're fighting. Well, I'm getting to that age where I can just rip you apart. Rip you apart. Ah, what are they doing? Monkeys. Oh no, they're gonna fall and child hazards and oh god. He's gonna fall and like bust his head. I have to save him. Okay, come here. Let go. There we go. Now you won't die. What are you doing? I'm rolling, yep.